7 AM. It is -5. Everything is frozen solid. Apart from the dog, he's not frozen. This poor engine. Try drifting, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Good enough. That only took 25 minutes. So we've reached a grand total of 36 degrees in the coolant, and we've used a litre of fuel just sitting here. A litre! Well, this is nice. Perfect day for drifting. Yeah, quite loud. Well, this'll be exciting. Yeah, because everything's frozen. Holy shit! That's like, wow! It's like glass, David. Yes. It is probably a good thing that I am at the back. There was so little grip available. Oh, Dave. You basically need no power whatsoever. You know, you use less tyres on a wet day. Well, this is like the ultimate. Snap! Oh, too early. I expected it to snap on me, so I pulled the. I sent the wheel a little early. See that snap there? That's what I was waiting on. Can we drift yet, David? We can drift! It's so slow on that corner! That's going to be quite an easy day on the car. Yeah, slow drifting. Yeah, get ready for a whole day of smashing the car into things.
You want to drop tyre pressure any or just keep it as is?
I think we're at 40s just now. Maybe do 30 and let's see how it behaves.
Okay.
And this is a big moment, our first ever lap of Driftland without spinning out. Can we manage 2 laps without crashing?
That's a loss!
Nope.
That was my bad. That was my bad. I looked behind me.
We crashed a lot, so I've edited out the most boring ones and left the damage in.
Coming a little late there. David. Getting a bit fucking hot.
Time for fuel soon?
Yeah, I think after this session it'll be fuel.
That's it. It's got a couple times as well.
You want a bite of Twix? That half-eaten mango bumworm Twix is all for you, David.
Nice. Save it.
Save it. You'll never see it again if you don't eat it now. It's gonna go fuck knows where.
It's 2 bits of Twix. I'll think better.
Here's something you'll see me do a lot today. I'm turning the wheel looking for more rotation when I should be applying more power.
That one was a good thump.
That was a bit of a nice one. See what shape our wheels are?
Don't even have anyone to blame, Dave.
Youthful enthusiasm.
Front bumper's loose. It's like modern art, I think. This is it. Bumper is repaired. This is officially the first cable tie of the Drift life. Fucking good as new. Off my fingers, they're filthy. See, we're good.
Still good.
Subarus, David, they're made for off-road. I'm just doing what we were told. Stuart told us in the brief to clear that outside edge. I'm clearing it of mud and gravel also. Doing my part.
Speaking of Stuart. Pervert. Those of you with a keen eye will have noticed we're on our 5th session out of 9 that we did that day, and we're already running much faster and smoother. Now you'll see me go all the way left and hit the lock stop. Any more power and I'll spin. Full lock.
There's no weird noises?
Nah. Coolant at 91. Dave, what's the most unique thing about this Subaru so far?
Things don't fall off.
It's like you just give it such a beating and
It stays on.
it stayed on. Right, should we just chip that with a bar or? What's that thing you do where they pour like a kettle of water on top of it? Do you want a pair of gloves? Because it looks manky.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
You're stuck on that bit.
Sorry.
Yes.
It's stuck at the tow hook. It is slightly cracked. This is fine. This is totally fine.
We switched layout to the anti-clockwise version, and I was much worse at this. I think the wall was intimidating me.
Close to the wall! That layout's harder because it's just different.
Yes, yeah.
Had a lot less practice on that layout.
Yeah, you should get more runs than that one, yeah.
But it seems like the top corner, third is better because it's smoother.
Yeah.
You've got a wider rev range to play with. Not gonna lie, I'm having a great day. Dave, on the other hand, he's gonna have to fix all this damage that I've been doing. But we are learning and we're picking up speed on the corners. But as a result, ripped off both bumpers. Not slowing down yet though.
It's going well.
And now see me starting to incorporate some clutch kicks as well as the handbrake.
See that, I'm initiating far too early. End the door!
Did anyone see the video from 2 weeks ago when we removed the airbags? Wasn't that a good idea?
We will we'll inspect after that one, David. We'll just gently and in a high gear limp out the track. I think if anything that would be lowest point would be the AM fitting on the sump.
Yes.
Oil pressure's good.
I'm watching the oil pressure like a fucking hawk. Don't worry, the sump would be empty by now.
I think the sump needs fucking steel guards, David.
Sadly, it's survived again. It's not dead.
Yet again. We were trying to fucking kill it. That's okay, it's been held on by the tow hook.
By the law.
Woo!
I still haven't had the fucking thing.
Would you jack it up and have a look, or we just...
No, it's completely on. Nothing.
No, sump is absolutely bang on. I just learned a valuable lesson. I allowed myself to be pressured off the track, and instead I left the track and climbed the verge. But being a four-wheel drive Subaru, there's no damage. Much. I've lost my splitter, but and a good Sunsport grill, David. It's good, the oil's staying where the oil's supposed to be. We just need to pull these parts off. Is that airflow or is that kicked up? I don't know what's happened there. Was that always ramped like that?
It's all stock, yeah.
Alright. It's fine. We get back out.
Now, like a total douchebag, I put the car in 4th gear and think it's broken.
Is that 3 cylinders? Or 4th gear? 4th gear. Well, that's gonna flick.
Now the car in front, which I think is Michael, brakes very early, so I decide to have a go. With more momentum that might work.
That was a big drop. Back bumper.
What is this shit?
Right, how did that even happen?
Maybe this is the Subaru's unique feature. Things don't fall off it.
I do need to apologise. I was mocking Dave for welding too much. We've just stuffed the back end of the Subaru down a ditch, and the only thing that has been is the bumper and the tailpiece. But because there's so many welds on it, you can just bend it back in the middle again. And that is why he spent so long welding it. He was right, I was wrong. As usual.
Couldn't figure out why there was 11 cars on the track, but it's just because it's the last session of the day, emptying the queue.
No way everyone's getting around this corner without crashing.
Watching this back editing, I cannot believe in one day how much faster and how much better I am at drifting. One day.
I dare say, David, made a lot of good progress today. Yes. We've smashed a lot of things. Tremendous. Send it right up the ramp.
Send it.
What's the worst can happen? I do my bumper. Nice one, bruv. Yeah, boy. I would say we didn't break it, but we absolutely did break it, but it's still alive.
Right, Dave, I would say that even though this is the most damage done drift day, I would say this has been the best one yet.
Most successful.
Most successful,
Drift.
most learning, car was very reliable, all the damage, all of the problems that were with it were entirely my fault. And Dave's exhaust has survived another day.